Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to introduce else statements. Else statements, when the condition of an if statement is true, the block of code following it is executed. What about when the condition is false? Normally nothing would happen. With an else statement, an alternate block of code can be executed. So if the number is greater than 10, return bigger than 10, else return 10 or less. So what does that mean? If this condition isn't true, so if you have a number that is anything other than what is here, this comparison statement says if it's greater than 10, so for this example it's very easy, anything greater than 10, then no matter what, we're going to return that. So we want to combine the if statement into a single if-else statement. So here we have a if statement. Okay, got it. So here we have an if the value is greater than 5, we're going to say it's bigger than 5. And if the value is less than or equal to 5, we're going to say it's 5 or smaller. So yeah, the way to do this one is we're just going to highlight in here and just say else. And if we run the test, you'll see that passes. So what are we saying here? This is actually a kind of an important value, because else makes it so that unless this is exactly right, unless this is true, we're always going to do this. And that creates a situation where we have more unpredictable code in a way, because just say with the number 5 is always going to be sort of easy to predict against when it comes to other integers, but if you're doing other data types, this can become complex. But the else statement makes it so that your code is a little bit more bulletproof, like you're going to have some capacity there. Anyways, I hope this helps. We'll see you guys in the next lesson.